Hello, students working from home. You are going to be using some Pear Deck slides to follow along with what we did in class. So there will be spots for you to put in some responses to questions, and please do that because I'm interested in what you are thinking at home. So one thing you're going to be doing is thinking about how you can determine if things are living or non-living. And that might seem really easy for some stuff, but for other things, it's not quite so straightforward. So you'll complete a Venn diagram, just comparing and contrasting living things with non-living things. And you can use your teammates' Venn diagrams and add to those, just add one or two things that you can come up with that maybe your teammates didn't. You're also welcome to make your own slide, and you can just add that with your own thoughts. Then after that, we're going to challenge you to see if those characteristics hold up. So your classmates were able to take home a kit that had 3 soil samples from Mars, and they had today to determine whether those soil samples contain life. So they're going to be spending a little bit of time doing some experiments on those soil samples. They're free to do whatever they want, and they're going to be putting their observations in a new set of Google Slides. So you'll have access to those slides and you can see their observations. I'm going to do the experiment, or my own set of experiments, at home. So I will record some of my observations and add those to the slides so you can see them as well. Then you are going to create a CER table, or claim evidence reasoning table. So my question to you is, do any of those soil samples contain life? If so, how do you know? And if not, how do you know? So you're going to come up with a claim to basically, for each of those soil samples, yes or no, they contain life. You're going to state your evidence. So what pieces of what observations are you using to back up that claim? And then you'll explain your reasoning. So how does each observation actually support that claim? And what's, I don't know, what scientific thoughts or ideas are you basing that reasoning on? So you will have a template to do that. Just look in your agenda for that. And that's what we're doing in class today. Before the next class, I'm also asking students just to set up their OneNote notebooks and their online textbook. So you'll need to do both of those things as well. Again, look in Canvas to see those instructions. And please send me a message or a chat if you have any questions. And we'll have our first just group meeting to check in on Thursday night, which is probably Friday morning for you. So I will see you soon.